Hello and welcome everyone to your 8th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Setting the Preferences. In this tutorial, we will get to know about the various types of preferences that we need to set up in order to get started on working on our projects. In order to open the Preferences menu, we can go to Edit, Preferences, General. Now this window contains a whole lot of information that we won't be needing currently. So I will just go through the important aspects that we need to view currently, and then as we need, we'll come back to the Preferences menu in the later tutorials and we will change the values and adjust them as needed. So first of all, what we have here is the video transition default duration. This video transition default duration is the duration that is applied to all the videos when we put them in transition in the default manner. So when we put, for example, 10 videos in transition on default values, then they will transit from one video to another in 30 frames as given here. You can increase or decrease depending on how fast or slow you want your transition to be. Or the next is the audio transition default duration that is set to 1 second. It's the same as the video transition, instead it is being applied to the audio. You can increase or decrease depending on how fast or slow you want this to be. The still image default duration is the default duration of the time it will take to transmit from one image to another when we create the default still image animation, that is the presentation, or you can say montage animation. Now let's get to the second tab, that is the Appearance tab. In this Appearance, we can change the slider in order to adjust how we like to view our software and how we like to work on it. This depends from user to user. So we can just move the slider left in order to darken it up, move it to the right in order to lighten it up. For now, let's leave it at the default. Now, the last thing that we need to see, and the most important thing that we need to see here, is the autosave. Now, autosave by default gives save every 20 minutes and maximum project versions 5. In order to prevent loss of any kind of your project that you are working on, for example, you are working on a project, you forget to save, and then the power goes off, you will lose all your project. So to prevent that, what I recommend is that you have to automatically save every 2 minutes, or you can set it from 1 minute to 5 minutes, but above 5 minutes is not recommended. Maximum project versions varying from 2 to 5 as per you see fit. So guys, for now, these are all the preferences that we need to see. We will learn more in the later tutorials. Thank you for watching.